In this week's Retro Pop Culture News, there is a Cobra Kai Season 3 sneak peek that we're going to take a look at. The Powerpuff Girls have a live action TV show that's in the works, and we have a lot more news to talk about, so don't turn that dial. What up to my peoples, and welcome to Retro Crunch, your #1 source for retro pop culture news. First up in the news, Cobra Kai Season 1 and 2 are now available on Netflix, and Season 3 is coming sometime in 2021. Netflix just released a sneak peek into its third season, and there's about 7 seconds of this teaser that is very interesting.
Mr. Miyagi treated me like a son. He wouldn't keep any secrets from me.
Are you sure about that?
From what I could tell, it was definitely Chozen's voice that we heard in that clip. If you don't remember, he was the main villain in The Karate Kid 2, and he has a lot of reasons to have some beef right now with Daniel, so I could totally see him showing up in Season 3. I've been on the forums and there's speculation that it is Chozen and that he might be Miyagi's son, which I think is a little bit far-fetched. But personally, I don't think that Cobra Kai really needs to go that route to bring Chozen back. I think that in his own right, he'll be able to be a part of the show in a good way. I mean, Chozen's name got smeared, his life was basically destroyed over in Japan, and Daniel just came over there for a very short period of time and ruined this guy's life. I mean, granted, the guy was an a-hole, but still, Chozen definitely has it out for him, and I'm sure he's probably been looking for him for many years. What I think might happen is he'll show back up in Daniel's life and make him think that he wants to make amends, but in the long run, I think that he just wants to destroy Daniel like his life got destroyed in Japan. Whatever happens, Cobra Kai Season 3 is coming in 2021, and it's gonna be awesome. Next up, the first Dune trailer is supposed to be coming out on September 9th, and we already have a sneak peek at what those sandworms are gonna look like. Then Stephen King's The Stand is going to be debuting on CBS All Access on December 17th, and I am really anxious for this new miniseries. I read the book back in the day, and I watched the 1994 version, which starred Molly Ringwald and Gary Sinise. That was okay, but I have real high hopes for this new one that it's going to be fantastic. Then according to Deadline.com, there's some early talks going on about a Nutty Professor remake. Now this was a classic Jerry Lewis comedy that Eddie Murphy remade in the 90s, but right now we don't have any new news on that. And the animated series Powerpuff Girls, which ran from 1998 to 2005, it's getting a live action reboot, and the girls are going to be all grown up in this, and they're going to be in their 20s. This one should be pretty interesting. Finally, if you are into retro news and nostalgia stuff from back in the day, I'll see you in the next video right over there. I'll catch you guys on the flip side, and remember, if it ain't retro, it ain't worth watching.